Your Lexus Genuine Dash Camera can record your driving experience, as well as any incidents that may occur while your vehicle is parked. This video will outline the different functions and features of the Lexus Genuine Dash Cam. Turning on the vehicle's ignition automatically turns on the power to the dash cam, which initially goes through a startup mode. Note that a micro SD card must be installed in the camera for it to function. If the industrial quality micro SD card that is provided by Lexus has been removed, check for the correct orientation of the card and insert it directly into the slot on the camera until you hear a click with the ignition turned off. Once the ignition has been turned on, the green LED on the camera will start to flash. After a few moments, the green light on the camera will stay illuminated. A short, high-tone beep indicates that startup is complete, and the dash camera starts recording video, as well as audio if the microphone feature is turned on. The microphone can be turned on or off using the audio recording on-off switch, identified by an orange marking on the dash camera. The camera records continuously until the ignition is turned off and stores up to approximately 170 minutes of normal quality footage. When the memory limit is reached, the camera continues recording by overwriting the oldest footage. During normal recording operation, specific events of interest can also be recorded and saved in a separate file by pressing the Action button on the main body of the camera. When the Action button is pushed, a short, high-tone beep sounds, and a total of 20 seconds of video and audio, if turned on, is protected. That recording covers a period from 12 seconds before until 8 seconds after the Action button is pressed. In addition, an extended period of video and audio can be saved in Adventure mode. For example, when driving on a particularly interesting or picturesque road. To engage Adventure mode, press and hold the Action button for more than 1 second. Wait until the camera emits 3 short, high-tone beeps. Pressing and holding the Action button for more than 1 second until the camera again emits 3 short, high-tone beeps will turn the Adventure mode off. The maximum duration of an Adventure mode recording is approximately 87 minutes when recording in standard quality mode. An equivalent period of standard mode recording will also be overwritten in the process. During normal operation, if the dash camera detects a strong shock, such as might occur in a collision, it emits 2 short, high-tone beeps and saves and protects 20 seconds of recorded video, 12 seconds before and 8 seconds after the shock is detected. Up to 10 such videos may be saved and protected without any action required by the driver. Similarly, when the vehicle is parked and the parking surveillance mode is on, if the dash camera detects a strong impact, such as might occur if the vehicle is struck, video is recorded for 60 seconds from the time of that detection. Up to 10 such videos may be saved and protected. Next time the ignition is turned on, a long beep followed by 5 short beeps will be emitted twice in a row to indicate that a parking event was detected. Videos recorded by the dash camera may be viewed and saved externally if desired, and settings for such things as image quality, Adventure mode recording time, and parking surveillance function activation and sensitivity can be adjusted using the provided viewer software for Windows and Macintosh computers, or wirelessly via a viewer application for Android and iPhone smartphones. Thanks for watching this Know Your Lexus video.